it's all about Jamaica's worst game. You deaf, we the baddest. And as they say, connect.
Yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S Game here with another reaction. This morning, guys, today, this afternoon, this evening, wherever you're watching from, big up for yourself. We're here with Khago, childcare. Yes, it's a Deva about this. Okay, so about what 5 hours ago, me react to the Deva about one, and then Khago here is here to reply. So I don't think the G is sleeping. But just like myself, me not sleep. I could take off that one, take off my glasses and go another one because first of all, let me just say I don't like the name childcare to this song. I don't know why. I just have a funny feeling about this one. I don't like it. Let's jump in it. Let's go.
Yeah. Rat Ned.
Alright, first off the bat at the same rhythm them depend. Alright, me like that.
Yeah. Rat Ned. Why you wanted? Khago.
Oh, remember say Khago don't play fair, right? Listen.
Bang. What make you do it, Deva? Make you do it, Deva. Yeah. Let me tell you two, and if you put more, lift up.
Khago don't play fair, yeah? Me telling this, I leave Khago alone. Khago doesn't play fair. Like I said, I don't like the name childcare to this one. I don't like it for obvious reasons. Alright? So, one second. Once I never to earn if you put more. I'm sorry, dog. I'm sorry.
Let me tell you two, and if you put more, lift it. Tell him, wah, bang. What make you do it, Deva? Make you do it, Deva. Yeah. Let me tell you two, and if you put more, lift up.
Lift up, him say.
I know me make you can't pass kindergarten. Rat. Big up all of me shatter them at Tivoli Garden. Bang bang. Them.
I don't like where this is going. And I mean make you can't pass kindergarten. And I mean big up all them shatter them at Tivoli Garden. Wait, just continue.
Deva 2 and if you child care. Zebra 2.0 me no fight fear. And if boy you feel it up from around here. 1 time, 2 time you make the bikini tear.
And says that they were at a Zebra 2.0. When Zebra they rape a prison for rape. So he must say the G a Zebra 2.0. Him too on for child care. Yo, I don't like it. I don't like the name.
1 time, 2 time you make the bikini tear. And boy where you get off light. Why make you touch it baby tight? How why you say you love pussy we tight? Make you no fuck a mongrel we bite. No fuck on yourself with me head no screw up. Me have a daughter just born. Somebody fi bomb.
Yo, let me just say this. I can't see this war lasting long between them two artists. Yeah. I can't see it. If I dung them root, yeah, them I go. Can't see it.
And for daughter just born. Somebody fi bomb. And I hungry, me hungry. Pick me fi feed. Somebody fi dead. Them say the sky all a lead. Can me kill all a cartel so-called friend. Them and left him rich and lonely.
Man say him kill all a cartel so-called friend. Them and left him rich and lonely.
Somebody fi dead. Them say the sky all a lead. Can me kill all a cartel so-called friend. Them and left him rich and lonely. How you fi beat rape a boy and don't kill them and spend 13 years listen my homie. You just spend all a cartel so-called friend. Them and left him rich and lonely. How you fi beat rape a boy and don't kill them and spend 13 years listen my homie. You a cartel, so-called friend, them and left him rich and lonely. How you fi beat rape a boy and don't kill them and spend 13 years, listen my homie. You just spend 1 day in a horizon. If you make rape a boy but fly eyes, you should empty heavy shoes in a Deva Brat face pan port more black colliding.
Jesus Christ. Yo, them two artists that don't fight fair now. Let's be fair. Deva Brat don't fight fair neither. Him talk a bag of things. We see him talk a bag of things about cartel video. Khago don't fight fair. That's why I can't see this war lasting long because yo.
You beat rape a boy and don't kill them and spend 13 years, listen my homie. You just spend 1 day in a horizon. If you make rape a boy but fly eyes, you should empty heavy shoes in a Deva Brat face pan port more black colliding. No fuck you, no surfing. Me head no screw.
Yeah.
Ratned.
Why you wanted?
A Khago. Tell him. Wah, bang.
What make you do it, Deva?
Make it be Deva.
Them say you too hard.
the report, boy.
Alright. Make your camp pass kindergarten.
Rotten.
Big up all of me shatter them a Tivoli garden.
Bang, bang.
Them say Deva too and if you child care. Zebra 2.0 me no fight fear. Any boy you feel lift up from around here. 1 time, 2 time you make the bikini tear. Any boy where you get off light. Why make you touch it baby tight? How why you say you love pussy we tight? Make you no fuck a mongrel we bite.
What you say? You love pussy with tight? What you say you do? Make you no fuck a bum girl with bite. Fuck a dog.
Why you wanted?
A Khago. Tell him. Wah, bang.
What make you do it, Deva?
Khago no fight for me. Tell you no already, brother. Any man with Khago, just know say, brother. It's not gonna be fair.
I know me make you camp pass kindergarten.
Rotten.
Big up all of me shatter them a Tivoli garden.
Bang, bang.
Them say Deva too and if you child care. Zebra 2.0 me no fight fear. Any boy you feel lift up from around here. 1 time, 2 time you make the bikini tear. Any boy where you get off light. Why make you touch it baby tight? How why you say you love pussy we tight? Make you no fuck a mongrel we bite.
Look how long the man laugh at. You don't want to laugh long enough.
No fuck you no say. Me head no screw up. Me have a daughter just born. Somebody fi bomb. And I hungry, me hungry. Beat me fi feed. Somebody fi dead. Them say the sky gonna lead. Can me kill all a cartel, so-called friend them and left him rich and lonely. How you fi beat rape a boy and don't kill them and spend 13 years, listen my homie. You just spend 1
Oh, if you beat rape a boy and don't kill them and spend 13 years. You
cartel,
just spend
so-called
1 day
friend
and
them and
alright.
left him rich and lonely. How you fi beat rape a boy and don't kill them and spend 13 years, listen my homie. You just spend 1 day in a horizon. If you make rape a boy but fly eyes, you should.
So I must say, instead of the 13 years where you spent, if you did kill the raper boy, if you did kill Deva Brat, that's what I must say. I don't mean, I'm just repeating. If you did kill Deva Brat, if you did empty all of your shoes them in I'm face over Portmore, then you'd have only spend 1 day at Horizon. You wouldn't get the 13 years. So basically, you must say right this. So at the wrong man you kill then.
I spend 1 day in a horizon. If you make rape rich and lonely. How you fi beat rape a boy and don't kill them and spend 13 years, listen my homie. You just spend 1 day in a horizon. If you make rape a boy but fly eyes, you should empty heavy shoes in a Deva Brat face pan port more black colliding. No fuck you no surfing. Me head no screw up. Me have a daughter just born. Somebody fi bomb. And I hungry, me hungry. Beat me fi feed. Somebody fi dead. Them say the sky gonna lead. Anyway, Deva Brat them me child and go. Me have a Glock where sing sweet like Shylando.
Anyway, they were about they might put them now go. Me have a Glock we sing sweet like Shyland. Yo.
Anyway, Deva, Brat, them in China go. Me have a Glock we sing sweet like Shylando. Kindergarten go off anywhere you go. And you bring up me case, you started now. What you
All right. I was waiting for him to address that. I was waiting for him to address that. Wait. Let me hear myself after this. Wait.
garden go off anywhere you go. And you bring up me case, you started now. Where you send me back gun, but you back body. And a 3-year hole, and I ask if she love you.
Well, I don't know. Wait. Let me explain why. Let me explain to you now where I go say Khago wrong for this. I go explain to you why I'm do this. All right. Khago sing a song first, half a Deva Brat. And Khago say him not go too hard. But if Deva Brat cross the line, him a go there. That's how him tell me personally. Him tell me that personally. Him say if the G cross the line, him a go there. You see me? So when when the ear in this song for Deva Brat where him say back gun off a girl and rare, me know Khago was gonna go here. So that's why I was saying to you guys earlier on, say I don't like the word child care for that song. Yeah. Cause me know say that's how him a go. Me know that's how him a go. Aye. Normally, if me an artist reason, me no forward come say what we reason about. But this me can say. This me can say. He did say if Deva Brat think of going anywhere where him shouldn't go, or where him feel like Deva Brat shouldn't go, then him a go there too. So fire with fire, him no fight fear. So because Deva Brat mentioned film case where him say him back gun off a girl, him a say Deva Brat body. Deva Brat back body. Yo.
garden go off anywhere you go. And you bring up me case, you started now. Where you send me back gun, but you back body. And a 3-year hole, and I ask if she love you. I fax me attack Jamaica and to the 3 boy panic as a brain must go study. No fuck you, no serve it. Me head no screw up. Me have a daughter just born. Somebody fi bomb. And I'm hungry, me hungry. Pick me fi feed 'em. Somebody fi dead. Them say sky God a leader. Them say me too brave. Them say me stink like onion. Convert all Gaza to Khago. Deva Brat.
them say them say me brave. Them say me stink like onion. Convert all of Gaza to Khago. That a film fans name.
Somebody fi dead. Them say sky God a leader. Them say me too brave. Them say me stink like onion. Convert all Gaza to Khago. Deva Brat no got no street cred for solar. Him a foot hype a fuck you see a man. Say
Man, foot hype for the same man. So that's why foot hype now review him song. No, let me say this first. As foot hype reviewed one of Cartel song, one of Khago song on him live. Cause I was watching him live the other day. He was reacting and people were saying react to Khago, and he never do it. So obviously him and Khago not good then. Cause if Khago are bringing foot hype into the war, then this can only draw out foot if we actually react to this and review the song.
Brat no got no street cred for solar. Him a foot hype a fuck you see a man. Say him nah review me bad song, them fuck him. I must see true scatter left him.
You see it? You see it? Me just say it. So the reason why foot hype get draft up in this are because him say him nah review Khago song them.
Say him nah review me bad song, them fuck him. I must see true scatter left him. And take pen brown in front him. Matika sing sweet, don't see the banging. No fuck you, no sir.
See the banging, big up.
Me head no screw up. Me have a daughter just born. Somebody fi bomb. And I'm hungry, me hungry. Pick me fi feed 'em. Somebody fi dead. Them say the sky God a leader.
Yo, all me know say Scatter supposed to have one of the worst start in for the year. In the music. One of the worst start. Everybody diss him. Never brought diss him. Khago diss him. Popcorn diss him. Chronic Law diss him. Yo, Scatter, big up yourself, my fam. Big up yourself. You know what? I'm gonna do a live later on. So, hopefully the artist them or one of the artists can forward and give me a vibe, give me a strength over there. You see me? Once the artist is on the platform, I will not invite anyone else because the people don't want to hear what the artist has say. Seen? So once the artist is on the platform, make the artist have him time, and then we can move on and speak to others who wants to talk afterwards. All right? So let me know what you guys think about this one in the comment section, though. Khago no fight fear. Khago, like I said, Khago did tell me say if they ever say nothing where him not too like or anything too personal, him I go yaso. He did tell me that. So I can literally say that he did. All right. So we over here, so we're not picking no side. We just react to the music, cause I the music me love. Me love the war. I mean, also I love it too. But let me know what you guys think. And it's good that the two artists end up on the same rhythm. Me like it. Big up on yourself. Artists, big up on yourself. Khago, big up. I'm out.
You know this is Zone, the one and only, and watch now. Me represent for who? Jamaica's worst gamer.
Yo!
You think louder than promotion?
What more can I do?
Yeah, me come drop some more buy and span them and do what? Def them.